In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove hyperlinks from a document easily and efficiently. We'll go through this step by step, so by the end of this guide, you'll be able to handle this task with confidence, no matter how many links your document contains. First, let's identify the links you want to remove. Open your document, and as you'll likely notice, hyperlinks usually stand out. They're often highlighted in a different color, and usually underlined, making them easy to spot at a glance. Here, in this particular document, you should see two distinct links that we'll focus on today. Once you've identified the hyperlink, the next step is to click directly on the link itself. By doing this, you'll typically activate the hyperlink, opening your default browser with the linked web page. However, we're not interested in visiting these pages right now. Our focus is on decluttering your document by removing these unwanted links. After clicking on the link, look for a small pop-up window that should appear nearby. This pop-up window is crucial because it provides you with several options regarding what you can do with this hyperlink. You should find options like Change, which allows you to modify the link, and Remove, which is the one we're interested in today. Go ahead and click on the Remove option to delete this hyperlink from your document. It's as straightforward as that. With just a few clicks, the link is removed, and any underlying web address is converted into plain text. This simplifies the appearance of your document and eliminates any accidental clicks that might lead to unnecessary web page visits. After successfully removing the first link, if there are more hyperlinks throughout your document, don't worry. This process can be effortlessly repeated. Simply locate any other links you wish to remove, click on them to bring up the familiar pop-up window, and select Remove. Repeating this process enables you to create cleaner, more professional-looking documents, especially useful when preparing reports or papers, where links are either not necessary or could distract from the main content. In summary, removing hyperlinks from your document is a simple task once you know how to do it, requiring just a few clicks. With clear identification and a couple of selections, your document can go from link-laden to sleek and polished without any hassle. That's all for today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to handle any hyperlink issues you may encounter in your future documents. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips.